Good afternoon. My name is Mr.HANKERSON, business teacher at Liberty Middle School. I teach grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. This is the video just in place, just in case I'm not here one day, you guys can know what's going on in class. On the window, you guys are going to see some QR codes. You can scan those codes to sign up for the Remind notification. I use Remind to communicate with my parents on a weekly basis. You guys can also message me back through that platform. I teach DIT, gaming, CAB 1, and also 6th grade Will. My planning period is first period, so if you need to talk with me, you can call or message me at any time. But if you want to meet, have a conference, that has to be done during first period. I try to update grades weekly on Canvas, so make sure parents, you have created your own account on Canvas. Once again, call me if you have any questions. I'm also the flag football coach. So if any of you guys want to participate in flag football, girls or boys, make sure you reach out to me. I can help you guys get signed up. The paperwork is rather extensive, but I got you back. Let me see if there's anything I'm forgetting. I don't know. But I'm Mr. Hankerson. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a good day.